So how to transfer money on Halifax. So to transfer money on Halifax, if you open up the Halifax app, you'll just want to click on payments right here. Then once you've done that, you'll just want to click on choose who to pay. Then from there, click on pay someone new. Then once you've done that, you'll need to clarify who you're paying. So if you're paying a UK bank account, it'll be to a person or a company. And then once you've done that, you'll then just need to enter the sort code and account number of the account that you wish to pay. Then once you've entered their banking details, click continue. And then from there, you'll then just need to enter the amount that you wish to send. So for the example of this video, we're going to say £10. Then from there, click continue again. Then once you've done that, you'll just be asked to review your transfer. So just double check all the details. And if you're happy, click confirm. And there you have it. And you've successfully transferred on Halifax. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.